Let's improve the player controls a little bit. If your character falls off the edge of your level, currently they just keep falling, so how can we fix that? Well, one thing we can do is detect how fast they're traveling. Let's do that in the constantly loop. So go and edit your character script. Here's our constantly loop that we have. We want to add some blocks in here. First of all, we want to figure out how fast is the character moving when they're falling. We can use the log block from control flow to show things in debugging mode. So grab that log block. Then we want to go to physics and we want to figure out what our velocity y is. So grab velocity x, change that to velocity y. So we're going to log our velocity y. Let's play the game. And the way to make that log block work is to enable debug mode. You can see it's logging out all these numbers. When we start falling, we can see that number changing, and this is our y velocity. So I think when I hit the y velocity of about 2000, that's when I want the character to die. It should be game over when they've fallen that far. So we can get rid of that log velocity y. We know that we want to check if the player's gone beyond 2000 y velocity. So now we can have that do something. So with our constantly block, we want to go to control flow and get an if do block. We want to ask if y velocity is greater than 2000, then we will restart the level. So we need our greater than block from operators. That's under boolean, starts out as equals, change that to greater than. And in here we want to say velocity y greater than 2000. So physics, velocity x, change it to y, and then a number in here, operators, we got that 0, 2000, and you can change this number to whatever you felt was best. Greater than 2000, go to current level, so that's control flow, go to next level, change that to current, that'll reload the level, and that'll simulate the player losing. So let's test that out now. Now when the player falls off the ledge, when they get to a certain point, they restart the game. Very nice.